sound of running water. The sound of one hand clapping. The sound of the gentle breeze just moving through the trees, just enough to cool